Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories on AGM Mobile Pad P2. Here's the box and let's open it to see what comes inside. And inside we get the tablet with the case on. So you get a cover in the box. Then the next things are SIM and SD card tray opener. Then when you open these boxes here, you can see stickers, some documentation here, a USB-C cable, and a charging brick. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.